Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add Pinterest button on Chrome. So for this you need to open your Google browser. Now just take a new tab and search here Pinterest extension. So here it is. Okay, wait for a second. Now go for Pinterest save button. Okay, now now you can see here the Pinterest save button is here. So go for this add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. Okay, wait for a second. So now you can see here an icon is like this. So click on it and just here you can see Pinterest save button. So you have to click on this pin icon here. So this is your Pinterest buttons extension. So you have to just click on it, and now you can see there is your Pinterest button here. So this is how you can add Pinterest button on Chrome. So guys, if you like this video, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.